Good afternoon everyone and welcome to the lab. Today we're going to be performing an experiment on buoyancy forces. Now for this experiment you will have me, Matthew Steer, Darryl Woodhouse, Jason Bruff and Luke Weston. To perform this experiment we're going to use an ordinary household object, and in today's experiment we're going to use a lemon. Now Archimedes' principle dictates that when an object is buoyant in water it will appear to have what's called an apparent weight. And this apparent weight will appear to be less than the real weight. And if we use the equation real weight minus apparent weight, we will gain an upthrust force. This upthrust force is what is keeping the object buoyant. So, for this experiment we're going to use, as I said before, our little household lemon, our set of scales, and a container full of water. The container full of water will show us how much volume of water is displaced. So, to start off, we'll take our lemon, we'll weigh it on our scales. Our lemon is shown to weigh 91 grams. So, if we convert that to kgs, that is 0.091 kilograms. We times this by gravity to get a Newton force. So 0.091 times 9.81 gives us a real weight of 0.8829 newtons. Now, we take our container full of water. Be careful not to get any on the power button this time. Full. We'll zero this scale. Submersing this in water will give us an apparent weight. It will show us how much weight the lemon has proven to lose. So we submerge this. We'll remove the excess water from the scales. Now this is saying that the lemon has shown to lose approximately 17 grams of weight. So if we times 0.017 by gravity, and we will just type this into our calculator. So 0.017 times 9.81 gives us 0.16677. If we minus this from our real weight, it will give us our apparent weight. So 0.8829 minus 0.1667 is equal to our apparent weight of 0.716 newtons. So now we have our real weight of 0.883 newtons and our apparent weight of 0.716 newtons. If we minus our apparent weight from our real weight, it will leave us with our upthrust force, or how much force is keeping the lemon buoyant. So 0.883 minus 0.716 is equal to a grand total of 0.167 newtons of force, keeping this lemon afloat. Thank you for joining us in the lab today.